You've studied English for months, maybe years. But when it's time to speak, everything disappears. Where did your vocabulary go? What happened to grammar? Relax. I've got your back. In this video, we're fixing this once and for all. Let's go. Here's the problem. Millions of learners like you can understand English perfectly. But when it's time to speak, your brain hits the brakes. Let's be honest, you've had a moment like this. Should I use present perfect? Present simple? Is it been to or been in London? Let's stop chasing perfection and start focusing on fluency. You don't need to be a grammar professor. You just need to be understood. Make mistakes. Embrace mistakes. And if you can, laugh at them. Mistakes make you stronger. So get uncomfortable and get talking. Here's your secret weapon, paraphrasing. Say this with me. It doesn't have to be perfect. It just has to make sense. Use a tool like ChatGPT, Gemini AI, Bing AI, or Quillbot to rephrase it into simple, natural English. You know who's always available to practice with? You. Yep, talk to yourself. Sounds weird, but it works. Start with your inner voice. Narrate your day in English. Then, when you're ready, say it out loud. Practice new sounds. Hear how your mouth moves. Still shy? Keep a diary or voice memo. It's not about being interesting. It's about building habits. No one around me speaks English. Sound familiar? Well, good news. You've got the internet. Use apps like Tandem or HelloTalk. Find real English-speaking partners who want to learn your language too. Send voice messages. Chat daily. 30 minutes a day equals massive improvement. No pressure, no judgment, just practice. Here's another trick, shadowing. Pick your favorite YouTuber, movie, or podcast. Play. Pause. Repeat out loud. No grammar stress. No writing. Just copy what you hear. This builds authentic pronunciation and confidence fast. And guess what? It's fun. You'll feel like a pro in no time. So remember, embrace mistakes. Paraphrase. Talk to yourself. Practice every day. Shadow your favorite speakers. These steps are simple, but if you stick to them, you'll be speaking English confidently way sooner than you think. Smash the like button, and I'll see you next time.